Hey, how is everybody? Lou from RV Habit. Today I'm going to install a bed rug into the GMC Denali. This is really simple. It comes in a couple different ways. I got the back and the tailgate attached. You can actually get it separate. They're both on Amazon. I'll leave links below before we start, but this is a very simple project. It should only take about 15 minutes to install. So let's start. So this is the bed rug. It's very light. It's got a thick foam on, see if I can show it to you, on the bottom. It's about an inch thick, and it's got this, it's actually plastic. They call it a bed rug, but it feels like rug. But it's super easy to keep clean, and it's very soft on the knees when you hop in here. And it also comes with an install kit, which is just some Velcro, and there's these adhesion promoters. Now, if you have a bed liner, you'll need the adhesion promoter to let the Velcro stick to the bed liner. If you don't have a bed liner, you will not use the adhesion promoter. The 3M tape will stick right to the bed. Let's put it in, see if it fits. Literally perfect. Now these are made specifically for each truck. This one's obviously for a 25 GMC Denali, and they're all CAD cut. I mean, this is literally perfect. So it's got two Velcros up front. I'll show you how to stick them, and then we're going to do the tailgate. Now I got this one piece which has this piece here that protects debris from falling in between the tailgate and the bed. And you can get this actually separate also, just this part and just this part, or just that part without this, but I wanted this. So the first thing you're gonna do, actually when I got this, it's rolled up in a box. So the first thing I did was unroll it and I let it sit. This has been sitting for about a week to relax it a little bit. But to attach it to the bed's very simple. You put it in where it's supposed to go, and then you just lift up one side, and you'll see there's a piece of Velcro here with 3M, and it's set in there like that. So you just put it on the Velcro where it's about to go, and then you look where it's going to stick, and it's going to stick on this ridge from here to here. So the first thing I'll do is I'll open up some adhesion promoter. And leave it in the pack so you can hold it. And all I'm going to do is wipe that ridge right where the tape's going to go. And that's it. Let it dry, and once it dries, then we're going to stick the Velcro down. So I've let that tack up for just about 2 minutes, and you could feel it where you put the adhesion promoter. It does get tacky, and all I'm going to do is peel the back of the 3M tape off. And again, the bed mat is in the position it's supposed to be, so when I lay it down, it's going to stick right where it needs to be. And just put some pressure. And that side's done. We'll do the other side. So just like the other side with the bed rug in its position, that side's stuck. We're gonna pull up this side and just bend it forward. And we're gonna see where this falls, and this falls right on the edge of this top rib. So we'll open up our adhesion promoter. That's another pack. They give you a bunch of them. And we will just put a little down. I'll let that tack up a few minutes and we'll stick it down. So it's tacked up for about a minute, 2 minutes. You can feel it when you touch it. It's a little bit tacky. All we're going to do is peel the 3M tape back off the Velcro and then slowly push down. Make sure it's good bond. And the back part's in. Let's do the tailgate. So the tailgate's a little different in the fact that they're not long strips of Velcro. They're these little pieces they give you to put on, and all you're going to do is spread them out evenly. And they give you plenty here, actually. Okay, we have all the Velcro on for this, and all I'm going to do is line up where I have the Velcro and just put a little adhesion promoter there. So the adhesion promoter is tacked up, and I'm just going to peel each of these backs from the 3M tape. Now this can be a little tricky with the one piece because you want it to fit the tailgate perfectly. So I'm going to pull it over. I'm not going to stick it yet. I'm just going to pull it over, and I'm going to line up the back tailgate where it has to go, right on the edge. Now I'll go down and start to stick that 3M tape where it needs to be. And that's beautiful. That's all stuck. And we'll just push it down. All right, let's do the edge. So the last part, I'm just going to flip this over so I know where to put the adhesion promoter. Pull this out a little bit. And I'm just going to put it right where all the Velcro is and let that tack up. Okay, the adhesion promoter is dry. Now I'm going to do this, instead of pulling them all off, one at a time so I can make sure this is nice, taut, and flat. So the first one I'm going to start with is the center, and I'll push it nice and flat, get it lined up right where it should be. Little pressure, and it sticks really good. So, and we'll do this side here. Again, pull one tab off. Line it up, little pressure, and we'll move right down the line, making sure we're nice and even with the edge of the tailgate. And finally, the opposite side, again, nice and even with the tailgate. Push it down, little pressure. And the last one. And that's it. That's how easy this thing is to install. Again, I got the one piece with this piece of material in between the tailgate and the bed so nothing can fall down. These things are great. I've had them on previous trucks. They're impervious. They can get wet. You could spill stuff on them. They can wash out. You can blow them out, sweep them out. They're great. Now I have a storage on the tailgate, and I debated whether to get this, but this is very easy. Once this 3M tape sits for about 24 hours. You'll be able to unvelcro this, pull it up, and get to your storage if you need to. I love them. I've always loved them. Bedrug, it's an American company, and they're really well made. And when you hop in here, it's nice and soft on your knees. No more damage in your knees. Again, I'll leave links to both down below on Amazon. But I'm going to let it sit for 24 hours, and that's it. As always, though, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you soon.